for people who are investing in the small cap companies, so be ready for 2025 every single year. I mean, almost every single year.
This
on
is
data
index.
average.
This is index. I mean, the stocks could have been minus 50, minus 60 also, some of them, right? I mean, take for instance, when the index fell, take for instance, capital market stocks earlier this year, even some broking companies fell 45%,
correct,
right?
So and capital market stocks fell, and all of that.
Yeah. So the beauty is that, yes, continue your SIPs, continue whatever, but Mr. Buffett said, be greedy when others are fearful, be fearful when others are greedy. I always ask people, that what's the most important word in this phrase? People say greedy, greed, fear. I always tell the most important word is others. Because it's about observing what others are doing and ensuring you are not part of the
others.
So if you keep all this in mind, see, every time people are panicking, if you can take a step back and say, it's happening every year.
Correct.
Then you will be a bit more sanguine and a bit more balanced in your thought process, because controlling emotion is everything. If you keep all this data in mind, you will not get emotionally carried away.
Yeah.
And only then you will be able to go against the crowd.
So a smart guy, even if he just does, let's say, index rotation, and he does a good SIP during only the falls which happen every single year on an average, he will be outperforming every time.
If you don't do SIP, let's say for some reason you feel SIP is just like shooting for the averages. Let's say you don't do SIP.
Correct.
Then your other rule can be that I keep money in my bank, but every time the small cap index is more than 15% down from the top, I'll start slowly deploying.
वो तो होता ही है.
Between minus 20 and minus 30, I'll get deployed. So from the previous peak, you keep observing. Whenever the market makes a peak and starts going down, that's when you get into your attention mode.
Yeah, by default, you'll by just maths, you'll beat the index.
Yeah, of course.